you too when you was little.
Oh my goodness. Lippo was worse. He used to eat
Lippo. I remember Lippo. That age, you had ice cream and you had chicken.
Yeah.
And then you know what? You got sick. Now you remember that? Eat ice cream. You know, you told me that, huh?
The parents of the child.
Oh my goodness.
Oh man.
Baby, stop brushing your teeth. Eat your ice cream first. Eat ice cream.
You gotta send that in.
Hey, what if you win, duh?
That's funny. That's just too
Brush your
funny.
teeth. Brush your teeth.
That is too funny.
Not so fast. You guys are so silly. I'm gonna submit that on the America's Funniest Home Videos.